Hey everyone! If you're planning a trip to Shanghai soon, I think I just found your new favorite spot. Welcome to Yitel Premium, right in the heart of the action on Nanjing Road. The first thing you notice when you walk in is just how clean and inviting the design is. It's got that modern, edgy look, but it still feels incredibly cozy, exactly what you need after a long day of exploring. I love how they've set everything up here. From the warm lighting to the super comfortable bed, every detail is focused on making you feel at home. Plus, there's a dedicated workspace that's actually perfect for catching up on a few things. Whether you're just steps away from the Bund or looking for a quiet place to recharge, this room really delivers. It's efficient, stylish, and honestly, just a really great base for your Shanghai adventures. If you're looking for a premium stay that's both high-end and super welcoming, definitely check out Yitel Premium. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Catch you in the next one!